Hello students. So today we are starting with a chapter coding and decoding. This is one of the most important chapters of reasoning and it is very interesting also. So first of all, there are some conceptual things that one should know before starting with solving the questions. So I just need to tell you like what are the tricks and what are the tools we are using for solving these kind of questions. So there are certain things. First of all, if we talk about introduction, so I have already mentioned here, like in this section, we'll be having a word given with its codes. See, like it is given in this segment, message or word shape to be decoded. They are coded as per a definite patterns. A definite patterns means, say for example, if it is given like Ram, and it is coded as SBN. So that means RAM is a basic word here and SBN is the code for this given basic words. So first of all, we need to decode this, like how this word is coded. Say for example, R is coded as S, A is coded as B, and M is coded as N. So we can see that each and every letter of this word is increased by 1. So in this particular manner, we are going to code the given next word. So it is written here, they are coded as per a definite pattern. But here definite pattern doesn't mean that in each and every question, like a letter is increased by 1 only. There are different patterns of solving these kind of questions. So now some conceptual thing that we need to know is, first of all, the position of the letter. What is the position of the letter? It's very simple. Here like A. So A is the first letter, that's why we can say that position of A is 1. Similarly B, so position of B is 2 and so on. So if we move till end, so Y and Z. So Y is the 25th letter and Z is the 26th letter. So every children should know the position of each and every letter. If you are finding some difficulties in learning the position, like how you're going to learn these positions, so a short formula is given here. I'm just telling you a word E-Jyoti. It's very simple. Why this is very simple? Every letter of this word is at a difference of 5. Like E. E is at 5th position, J is at 10th, O is at 15, T is at 20 and Y is at 25th. So if you learn this bunch E-Jyoti, so it's very simple for you. See, for example, if we need to find what is the position of L, and we know that L is after J or before O. So instead of starting with A, like A is 1, B is 2, we'll start with J only. We know that J is 10, so K will be 11. Therefore, the position of L is 12. So in this manner, we are going to learn the